Raw&Police, 로폴에 오신 걸 환영합니다. 오늘은 두 가지 사건을 통해 경찰관의 가슴 따뜻한 이야기를 해드릴 예정입니다. 위스콘신 스토드 대학교에 재학 중이었던 한 남학생은 자신의 프레젠테이션을 위해 과속을 하게 되는데요. 마틴 폴치크 경찰관에게 단속되게 됩니다.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Who's that stopped you for your speed going down 8th Street?
8th Street, Cap.
You turned off at 13th Ave and then you went...
I told you, I know what you mean. After I get a tie tied and have a presentation and thought my buddy was home, but he's not, and I'm running behind ice.
Okay, yeah, I was wondering why you looped down 8th Street and then back
that house
up 6th.
at that, that's one of my good friends' house, and he knows how to tie ties, and I honestly don't know how to.
Where's your tie?
Right here.
While I do this, why don't you grab your proof of insurance and your driver's license quick?
Yep.
There, you should be able to adjust it.
Okay, thank you so much.
One 62 Curtis, Minnesota 27. Probably not the best now, but it'll work.
Yeah, it'll work. A lot better than what I was gonna do, that's for sure. Thank you so
Last name
much.
is... For your insurance?
Yep.
Oh, it does have the car in there. Never mind.
That's
Okay. And that one expired in May, so make sure you get a new one in there.
Yeah, I
Ask
haven't.
Mom and Dad.
Today, I'm actually going home right after class after the presentation.
You're... I got a tight shoulder here. It's kind of hard with all this crap on.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. I can have something to pass with you. Yeah, I kind of thought I was going to get dinged up when you were behind me.
I was going to stop you sooner, but then that blazer pulled out between us.
Yeah, well, I thought you were going to get me there. Then.
Go ahead. Try that. There's only a little bit of a tail there, so...
Okay.
Never. Well, it's almost too long, but...
I'm going to have this jacket on, so...
Looks good.
Thank you.
All right, man. Slow her down.
Yeah, will do. Thank you.
You bet.
조지아주 메이에타에서 벌어진 일이었는데요. 근처에서 자신의 아기가 숨을 쉬지 않는다는 도움 요청 신고를 받게 됩니다. 황급히 그곳에 도착한 그는 생후 2개월 된 아기를 만나게 되는데요.
Come on, baby. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, I've been doing that also. She just had a bottle, that's all she had.
11, 10, 7 babies. Got the eyes open, but not crying.
Yeah, she, please.
Eyes are open, but I don't think she.
Ziana? Ziana!
Child appears to be choking, approximately 2 months old.
Hey, baby, she's only like a month and a half. Hey, hey, hey! Ziana! How close are they? Hold up, get out. Ziana!
Ziana, come on, baby.
Hey, baby, come on. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Breathe for me. Come on, give me a cry. Give me a cry. Come on. Come on.
Shit.
Hold on. I'm gonna keep doing this until fire and EMS get here,
Oh
okay?
my God. If you put her, like,
I've been trained with CPR for infants here. Come on, baby. Give me a cry, baby. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Starting to make some sounds. That's a good sign. Come on, baby. Come on.
baby, come on. Come on, Ziana. Hey.
Hold on.
Ziana. Not breathing on.
She started to cry a little bit.
Have you tried to do a finger sweep?
Yeah,
She's
I
got
did
some
that.
air moving.
Yeah, she's got some air moving. There's nothing in her mouth right now. Nothing that I can see. I've been giving her about 5 or 6 back thrusts and small compressions here.
Do y'all know?
There we go.
Yeah.
Come on,
Do
baby.
you know for sure that she did get something in her?
The only thing she had was a bottle. I just had her. She just had a
Really?
bottle.
Oh, she's
There we go.
She's
There we go.
sweetie. Hi.
She hasn't made those sounds.
Yeah.
She hasn't made any sounds at all since I got here.
Yeah. How old is she?
A month and a half.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey. Can you look at me?
She's not this calm.
Sorry, I mean,
That's
yeah.
why.
Okay. Does she have any medical problems at all?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. I think you might have got something loose in there because she was good. Good. Oh, you're making bubbles? That's good.
Is that a smile I see?
Looks like it. Okay, now I got some attention.
She started making some noise right before you guys pulled up, and I was like, all right, come on, keep going. So I just kept on doing
Oh,
the...
you're doing good. Yeah, very good.
What's your relationship, ma'am? Grandmother, where's mom at?
Right there.
Mom?
Mom, come here.
Mom, come on over here.
Come here. Look at her. She wants to see Mama. Look. Look. Look at her. She's fine. I recommend going ahead and going with the ambulance and take her to the hospital, okay?
Yeah, just to make sure.
You got a car seat for her? Let's go ahead and get it.
구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다. 앞으로 더 재밌는 영상으로 인사드리겠습니다. 로앤폴리스 로폴이었습니다.